Hey guys, welcome to this next episode of the Frenergy channel, and today I want to demonstrate to you guys what an over unity circuit looks like, and what if I could tell you you could buy it right from the store. That's right guys, I have done it. Over unity is finally real. Alright, so the way I have done this is I have managed to tap into high frequency power. The frequency that a plasma ball generator, well, I'm going to call it a generator in this video, gives off is a 60 kilohertz frequency. That is 1,000 times higher than the standard household frequency, which is 60 kilohertz. Or 60 hertz, my bad, I'm sorry. I'm just so excited I figured this shit out. It's awesome. I'm telling you, you guys are going to love this. Okay, so what's unique about this high voltage, high frequency power I'm tapping into using the plasma ball is that I'm generating enough power that seems to be able to over unitize my input power. I have 6 volts. The battery itself is ready to give off about 3 amps at the max. And if it does that, it will start to overheat. But with this circuit, my batteries aren't even getting hot. I've calculated this. 6 volts times 3 amps would be giving me 18 watts worth of power, right? 6 times 3, 18. Okay, well this is where it gets interesting. I know for a fact these batteries are not giving off all 3 amps of power. So if it was putting off 2 amps worth of power, I mean, they're still cold. The batteries are still cold. If these batteries were giving off 2 amps worth of power, it would be a tussle. I mean, a 14 to 14 watt AC to DC battle going on, meaning I have potential to send this energy into a transformer and doubling my power. Here, I'll show you guys. Okay, so just to give you guys an idea of how this thing works, I pulled a plasma ball apart, right? And here at the top was the main part that went inside the ball itself, which would make the static electricity generate inside the ball with the vacuum effect. And I have it grounded here. You see this? If you guys are wondering what kind of static ball this is, look at my previous video with the 120 volt generator. Alright, and I somehow managed to tap into this power by wiring the ground onto that biggest soldering piece right there that's touching. You see that? Alright, and for some reason that bumps it up to a steady 300 volts AC. And just to prove to you guys, I'm generating the frequency. Look at that. Whoa. Hold on. The frequency seems to be higher. Okay, I apparently seem to be tapping into some 242 kilohertz frequency, which would be explaining my over unity tap in. 242 kilohertz frequency at 340 volts is insane. My amperage, I am pulling 35 milliamps, and it can go up to it'll go up to 40 milliamps at times if I get it adjusted right, which would be equivalent to 14 watts worth of power. And I find that amazing. If you guys are curious as to what I can power exactly, please subscribe to this video, or subscribe to my channel, and like this video, guys. I'm really onto something. I can feel it. I mean, what kind of frequency is that? 243 kilohertz. That's an insane high frequency. Look at that, guys. All from this one circuit right here. That's DC amperage. I'm producing DC amperage in high frequency AC. 35 milliamps. Do your math, guys. That's 14 watts. It's going to be 14 watts, I'm telling you. And if I'd send this into a step-up transformer, my frequency is going to be so high. Oh my God, it's going to be so awesome. Sorry, nerd moment. All right, guys. I hope this is giving you guys hope, because I want to make this world a better place. And through Nikola Tesla's work, I'm going to make that happen. So stay tuned, guys. We are going to tap into something big very soon. Peace.